Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka Motor Bro, and as you see today, bro, we are about to put some street tires on my YZ450. As y'all can see, we got the freaking old dirt tires right here, about to bring that to the shop. Got the YZ. Let's head to Cycle Gear, put these beautiful Shinkos on, and then we're gonna hop on the bike and see how she rides with street tires, so let's get it. Oh, what you doing right there, bro? All right. Listen to the Subi, bro. Woo! We made it, boys. We're about to be freaking street tiring the dirt bike like it's a goddamn Supermoto, but it ain't a Supermoto, it's a dirt bike. I'm gonna take y'all inside, and they're probably gonna think I'm crazy fucking vlogging, but we lit. Let's go. We got the Shinkos, bro. Yeah, Cycle Gear. Dude, I'm so excited to see like what it's gonna feel like being able to just swerve on hard without it sliding with the dirt tire, because on the dirt tire when you swerve hard it starts to slide, so it's never a good thing. You got my old wheels right here, the Shinkos. Just need someone to help me install them. Let's go.
Oh, yeah,
Homie was saying the Shinkos are a pain in the butt to install, which they probably are because they're tight ass skinny ass street tires. Try to go on the dirt bike tire, but he got me, he's gonna hook it up. So gang, here we have it, my 2020 YZ450 with street tires, bro. As you can see, like, it just looks so clean. Like, it's such a different look than I'm used to. I'm used to dirt tires. I've always had dirt tires on all my bikes, on my dirt bikes at least. So having these street tires is just a whole new vibe, bro, and I loving it, dude. Let's hop on her and see what she rides like, bro, because who knows what's gonna happen. Oh my gosh, bro. You can turn so much easier. Dude, it's crazy how much easier it is to turn. To the left, to the right. Oh my god, bro. Yo, these new freaking street tires, I'm loving it, dude. Especially, it's like really predictable. That's what the problem I had with my dirt tires. It was never predictable. Like, look, bro, I can just keep going. Look at that, dude. Holy crap. Shout out the freaking YZ with the street tires, bro. We out here. Shoo, way back here. It just feels so smooth too, like just cruising. Like usually it has like a little bump from the front, but now there's nothing. So as y'all can see, these street tires, bro, they make such a big difference. Like, especially with swerving, because it's so predictable of a swerve. Like on the dirt tires, once you go a little bit too far on one side, it starts getting a little rough and wants to like slide out and move. So these are definitely a cheat code for swerves, but for combos. That's the thing, with combos, I feel like they're a little bit harder because it moves back and forth a little bit more. But don't get me wrong, combos ain't impossible on these, as you guys probably already know, bro. Real Chris G, bro. He has a Honda CRF with street tires, and he's probably the craziest freaking rider I've ever seen on street tires. But bro, it just, the bike looks so clean. It literally changed the whole image of the bike. It sort of looks like a mini Supermoto, bro. But yeah, let's hop back on the bike, get a little more shed going in, because this is just too fun. Oh, in the sandals. Huh? In the sandals. In the sandals? Yeah. Let's go. We got some quad riders here. We got my street tires on, and we freaking vibing, bro. It's cool seeing everyone getting better at the lot, like, especially these two. While I say that, he doesn't pull it up. Yes, sir. There it is. Whee! You're getting that thing now.
work for you too.
Dude, I've seen you getting better and better on him.
And I got 450 work.
Oh, shit.
That 450, that 450.
That 450. Not this 450. Not that 450. Alright, got it? Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Dude, them wheels, they be...
Yeah, you were throwing this shit out.
Yeah. I'm still trying to get get used to it, but it's working. Let's see it. Let's see that work. Okay, okay. Oh, this is new? Oh, nice. Yeah, you definitely need one of those little scrape bars on there. Yeah, that's so small though, bro. Yeah, this is gonna break.
What year is that one?
2020, boy.
2020?
With 2022 graphics. Ooh, we scraped my plate on that one, bro. I didn't want to. I didn't want to scrape it. I wanted to keep it nice.
Damn, gave her a nice little cuddle.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give her a little tip. That's all she getting.
It sounded like you bent that bitch.
It was loud, right? It was like, I thought I broke it.
I thought you bent it back.
Yeah.
So, or they're from a YZ.
It's a 22.
Nah, dude. I bought, these are Cerebus plastics. And these are effects graphics, like OEM effects graphics that I put on. You can see.
Good. That shit looks so
Oh,
weird,
you
bro.
did this yourself?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you can tell. If you look really close, you can tell.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, I'm out. So, yeah, a freaking spaceship just went off NASA. That's the thing that happens in Florida. And it was like perfect sky to see it, like blue. You can see the smoke still there.
I know, pero me ha dejado.
But yeah, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to stay motivated. We have merch in the description down below. Till next time, gang. Peace. So this is the rear tire right here. The little 360 view on her. I guess I'll show you what size I got right here, because it's pretty damn bright. Alright, so for the rear tire, I got the Shinko 110 80 19. And then this is like MC559Q. The tubeless, but there is a tube in here. So one question I had when I was getting these, I was like, do I do tubeless or do I put a tube in there? But the guy put a tube in here, so it's not tubeless, even though it does say it's the tubeless tire. And then right here we have the front Shinko. And these are the 90, 90, 21. And yeah, it just says it right here, so if anyone's wondering. And they're the 705 edition. So